get her saddled. Let's go. It's another beautiful day on the homestead, y'all, and today we are going to be tacking up Skittles. We are going to be training her a little bit today. You're okay, she's stressed out because of the camera. Brush her off, get all the debris off her, if there is anything on her. Good girl. Okay, so here is our Basel for Skittles. And we're gonna put the Basel on her. But right now she's stressed out, as you can see in her eyes. She's all stressed out because of the camera, that's why. It's okay, baby. So we're going to get the halter on here. The halter. We're gonna get this pad on her.
That's what I thought.
Yep, on her right here, so it's nice and level. Okay, don't need the gloves right now. Just gonna put this on top. Now, Rufus, if you want to zoom in over here, I'm gonna get her Basel on. So I'm just gonna, this is the pole of her head right here. So I'm gonna just put my hand on the pole of her head, holding her head down, and then putting this through her nose here, like that. And then we're gonna feed her ears through here. Take it on the other side here. I'm gonna put this other ear in, like that. Make sure it's on there. Good girl. This is good, that's good. Through here, like this. Get her little chin strap on. That's all done. So she's doing good. Next thing is that we'll put down the stirrups. Just through here like this. Go like this. So just looping it through, and if y'all would like to see a video on how I tie all this stuff, leave it down in the comments down below. If you would like to show you step by step of how I do this, I'll show you that. And then right at the end, I just give it a good overall real good tight pull, so then it'll stay on there throughout the ride. Go like that. Done. Done. So this side's done. Done. Okay. So some people have these real fancy things, and you might be saying, well, you might be thinking right now, I was like, I thought there was more to it. There is. So it's all, my mom's been working with horses for like forever, and she showed horses and everything. But this is actually the setup that you use, actually. But actually, if you want to do something like fancy, you know, that you absolutely don't need, most of the time people will have they'll have a breast collar on her in the front, then they'll have a second rope in the back, and sometimes people even have like this whole rig in the back of them and everything. That's all for being fancy, and yeah, it's totally not necessary. All you need is a girth, and you need a good halter. So we use the Basel, and if y'all would like to buy a Basel, we will leave one in the description down below of this video. Ready? Walk. 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 Good girl. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be teaching Skittles, well, kind of just practicing on some stuff that we have been that I have been training her. So the first thing that I usually like to work on is to back up. So let's work on some backing up. So what I usually like to do, look, she's already ready to do it, is just back, just say the word back, and then apply a little bit of pressure onto the Basel front here, where the rawhide is, and just make her do about 3 to 4 steps. Back, 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 back. Good. And then always rewarding her. Good girl. Good girl. And most of the time I usually like to do it 3 times in a row. So we'll just wait 3 seconds because it usually takes that long for them to get in their head. Okay, I did good job at that, so I can do it again. So let's try it again. Back, 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 back. Good. Good girl. So that's enough because I don't really have to always do it 3 times in a row because every day I'm always practicing with her. So you just do 3 times in a row if it's her first time. Next is I want to work on her walking beside me at right here, not me walking beside her up here. So walk, walk, 1, walk, walk, walk. So it's just these little tugs. Walk, walk, 2, 3. Whoa, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. That's a good girl. So it's just, I usually do 3 steps for the starting. And then just, double it every time. So hopefully, well, sometimes it's just, I'll try to get 5 out of her. Try to get 5 steps now. All right, let's try to do that, okay, baby? Ready? Walk, 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 come on, walk. Walk, 1, walk, 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 walk. Camera's right there. Walk, walk, come on, walk, walk. Whoa, good girl. Got 4 steps out of her, that's good. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. All right. Next is, for them to respect you, they should always have their head down. See how her head's down? I can look over there like this. I can't see over her head. So I should be always able to see over her head. So that's when I would always ask her to say down, that I can see over her head. Most of the time she'll keep it there and then she'll finally raise it up if something happens. But I've been trying to practice so I can always see over top of her head. I shouldn't have to get on my tippy toes. I should just be able to say down. Then I can see over her. And then she'll stay there. And then you're a good girl. So then I practice with her too, just like this. Down, down, good girl. Both of us going down so she gets the point of it. And we've been doing that for a couple days and that's really good. That's really good. So let's practice again. Down, down, down. She's like, I already have my head pretty down. This is really down for her. This is her 3rd day. And the more lower her head is, the more respect she's giving me in the mule world. So if I say down, and I can go like this. See, when she lifts her head and I can't see, that's not good. Down, down. She's listening to everything, her head's up because we got the camera and everything over here. But see, I can't see over her head, so down, down, down. Good girl. You're a good girl, you're a good girl. All right, next is we want to practice with is turning. But not me turning like this because that means I'm leading her. Because when you're on top of your mule or horse, you're not leading them. You're on top controlling them, but they have to go all by themselves. So what I do is to train them to do that, especially turning too, is I'll hold her the bosel like this, bottom of the bosel, and put my left hand on her right shoulder because I'm turning her left. And then I say turn at the same time. So then I say turn, 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 and she walks like this. That's okay because I'm going to keep on doing it. Turn, 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 turn. Whoa. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Down, down. Good. Good. Walk. Walk, 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 walk. Whoa. Good. So let's try it again. Let's try to turn her again. with the same things that we tried. So we'll just, and sometimes just having this little bit of this rope in your hand and pressing up against her sometimes works too. So turn, let's turn, 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 turn. Good girl, whoa. Good girl. Down. Good girl. Good. So always trying to be very sweet and kind and patient. That's the whole name of the game here. So, and that right there, Rufus, if you can zoom in, her chewing is always, well, she just stopped, but chewing is a really, really good sign that she's not like nervous. Her eyes aren't bulging like bunny eyes or anything like that. Her nose isn't flaring up really. So yeah, she's all doing good. So now, when I'm on her back, she gives me trouble turning right. And so that's usually what I like to practice with her, is turning right. So for right now, I'm gonna lead her up here so that she's not right up against this fence. Walk, 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 whoa, down, down. So now, I'm gonna turn her over to y'all, okay? And I usually always like to do a full 360 with her. Just hold this like this, and then we're gonna say turn, 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 whoa, down, 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 whoa, down. So now we're gonna do, now let's try doing something that I usually like to do is, we'll do 3 steps. So it'll be walk, whoa, back up, and then lower her head or turn her in a circle. So we'll do that right now. Okay, ready? Walk, 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 whoa, whoa, back, 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 turn, 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 whoa, good girl, good, down, 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 good girl. So just practicing those type of things in different orders, because you want to always keep her mind busy. So let's do something like this. Maybe different side now. So turn, 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 whoa, whoa, walk, 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 whoa, whoa, pay attention, back, 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 down, down, good, good girl. Okay, so the next thing I want to practice on is give me your face. So I usually like her to, like when I'm saddling up on her, I don't want her thinking about something else, or trying, when I'm on the stirrups, almost about to put my leg over, I don't want her to walk. So when I'm getting up on, I want her face to be looking at me and only paying attention to what I'm doing on her back. So if she was paying attention to Rufus doing something and I was getting on her back, she'd be like, what are you doing? You know, something like that. So I went to practice on giving her face. So now I'm gonna practice on her reins. this time. I'm not gonna practice with this rope because her reins are kind of left and right, so it's kind of nice. So I'm gonna stand right around right where the saddle is gonna be, right around here. And now I'm gonna just say, give me your face. And I'm barely doing anything right now. Give me your face. Give me your face. Good girl. Good girl. That's so good. And just that little tiny thing of giving her face is awesome because it means that she's paying attention to me. So, and hopefully it'll be someday when I'll just say, give me your face, and she'll just turn around and be like, oh, okay, so you're getting on me. So let's try it again. Good girl. Give me your face. Give me your face. Give me your face. Give me your face. Come on, give me your face. Give me your face. So she walks her steps. They're trying to find a relief of pressure. So where there's no pressure being on. So this is no pressure. There's no pressure on her face right now, and that's how they like it. So when there's a little bit of pressure applied, they want to find an area, like they want to find somewhere where there's no pressure. So when I apply pressure, she's gonna try to get her face out of it. That's why you don't really want to pull super duper hard, because you should get your animals so just the slightest thing, just the slightest amount of pressure of whoa, you shouldn't be like whoa and pull really, really hard. Anything like that, it should just be like whoa, like with your fingertips, whoa. That should be it. Turning her should just be whoa, just turn. And with just the two of your fingers, it should be, that's all it should be. It shouldn't be whoa with two hands and pulling all strength back and, you know, having the saddle like tip forward. So it shouldn't be like that. So let's try your face. Give me your face. Give me your face. Give me your face. And that's the other thing, you can tilt your head to try to catch her attention. Give me your face. 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 Good. So as soon as she does it, I let it go, because that means she is gonna find an area with no pressure. Good. So I can't see over her head right now, and that's bad. So that's when I would say, down, down. Okay, everything's good, you know. Good girl. So I can always be, instead of like going like this and peeking over her head and like going like this, no, you just say down. Down. It sometimes even helps put pressure on the pull of her head too, down. Okay, y'all, so it is the end of the video. I hope that y'all liked today's video. In the next video that you will be seeing coming out very soon is going to be the video all about riding the mule, saddling her all up, and all that type of really cool stuff that involves riding the mule, and that will be coming up shortly, so stay tuned. And remember to smash the subscribe button and the like button. And this is Goober signing out from the Texas Boys.